have a little bit there. There you go. How's that?
This 20-minute dinner is a new twist on a sausage roll, but using Filo pastry. The simple secret behind this is just 250 grams of mince, 1 egg to help bind it, some Worcestershire sauce, which will give you a bit of umami flavour. And then this is a wonderful thing for bringing tenderness to meat. It's great with lamb or beef mince, is grated onion. Because if you grate your onion in here, it gives you juiciness, it gives you flavour, and also tenderises the meat at the same time. So while I just grate my fingers slowly like this, why don't you butter your Filo?
Okay, sounds like a good idea. So just grab your Filo, and we just need 6 sheets. So we're just going to quickly butter this. And you don't have to be too fussy with this one. We really want to just get it into the oven. There we go. That smells good.
I'm going to use my hands, nice and clean. So it's nice and juicy. That makes it easy to spread on the Filo.
That's ready.
Okay.
Pop that on.
So we're going to spread the mince across those 6 sheets of Filo.
I found it just fast to use the back of a spoon. It's really easy to do. You want to kind of get it as even as possible, but it doesn't matter if there are little patches. I actually find that's where the Filo gets nice and crispy. And I roll it the short way, not the long way, just so that you get nice, really thick sausage rolls. And then we can just cut this straight through. There we go, and just pop them in. I put the ends up, frilly side up.
These are going to take 15 minutes to cook in a 200-degree fan-forced oven.
While the sausage rolls are in the oven, we're going to whip up a really quick and easy, well, I'm going to whip up a really quick and easy salad. It's just some extra virgin olive oil, some lemon juice.
So what are we talking about? About 50 mils of oil for half a lemon?
And a teaspoon of Dijon.
Bit of salt, bit of pepper.
And there we go, just a little light cooking.
So it looks a bit creamy.
It does look creamy.
Right, 15 minutes, they're done. You're gonna dress
I'm going to finish my salad.
You've got your dressing there.
Yep, thank you. Pour that over, just quickly. Give it a quick toss. You can pop a little bit of this on the plate.
There it is. That is our new take on sausage rolls. Crispy Filo snails stuffed with a beef mince made tender with grated onion. Soft, tender meat on the inside, crispy Filo on the outside. Perfect combination.
If you want some Filo sausage rolls in under 20 minutes, go to taste.com.au.
Simple dinner in under 20 minutes. That's what you want to do.
Perfect.